We're about to give away a complete notary business build kit to the first person who walks through that door. So I'm really excited because today is going to be a super awesome, amazing day for anyone that is watching right now, because Notary to Notary is going to do a massive, massive, massive thing. We're going to be giving away a super cool thing to someone that's super cool here in a few minutes. Can anyone guess what we're giving away? We're going to be giving away a complete notary business build kit in 5 seconds. Do you want to see what the business kit looks like? Woo! All right, you're going to win a brand new HP LaserJet printer. You're going to win a case of paper so you can print all those loan signings off. You're going to win some additional notary supplies here laid out. My favorite tool pen. These are my favorite. I love these. And you're going to win Notary to Notary courses and a coaching session here with me today. You're probably wondering, how in the world do you get to win this kit? So in order to be entered to win the kit today, the very first person that walks through this door, 13125 Rivers Bend Boulevard, you were at the right place at the right time. You're gonna walk away with this entire business build kit today. Are you kidding me? I'm not. So now what, Vanessa? Now we wait. They said, hold on. My husband just took the car. Well, now you gotta call him and tell him to hurry up and come back, okay? Sometimes it pays to be local. You gotta be in the space. You gotta surround yourself with the glory, where you're trying to go, okay? Who do you think's gonna make it? I don't know. Uh-oh, somebody's here!
Hello.
Hi! Okay, that's our, wait, hold on, what's your name? Who told you to come up here? Ah! Wait, are you coming for her or are you coming for you? I don't know, Whitney. Whitney, you might be cheating.
Is she cheating?
Yes, she is
What's
cheating.
going on?
You have to be here. You can't send a friend. That's not the way that works. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me think. Hold on, y'all. We have to do an interview. I'm going to make an executive call. I will make an executive call. We're going to give you a different kit. We're not going to give you the main kit, okay? Only because, so ideally we wanted to have someone who's a notary come in who heard the live, who's starting their business, and we push them forward in their business. Okay. But we will give you another kit, okay? All right, let's everybody your name.
My name's Alexis.
And Whitney referred you to come on in, but are you interested in building a notary business? Have you ever heard of it before?
I have heard of it.
What did you hear about it?
I heard about notarizing documents.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, you heard about the business?
About the business opportunity?
Yeah.
Somewhat. Like Whitney told me she was doing it, but she didn't give me any specifics, no details.
Were you thinking about doing it with her? Or is your first time? We're just throwing it on you right now?
You're just throwing it on me right now.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to give you our notary starter kit, which is gonna help you learn more about the business, what it is, how to get into it, all that good stuff. We're gonna give you your notary kit. So your notary kit is going to include a notary journal, do-it-yourself wrong guys, you can get into online notary, and then the how to make $1,000 because of Notary Public. And you're gonna give Rita your email address, so we're gonna give you our main course, which is our notary signing agent training, that will teach you everything you need to know in order to build your notary business.
Awesome.
Deal!
Thank you.
Yay! Whitney got you something. Look at that. She put you in here. She got you all in the room.
I'm gonna call Whitney and tell her.
Yeah.
Set me up.
She did. She set you up.
She's like, are you at home? You need to go to Notary to Notary. I'm like, okay.
Now we know when we do this again, we need to say, must be a notary, not in the Built For You program, and not have already won a printer. Boom. Here we go. Keep going. Who do you think's gonna make it? Oh, look, she coming. She over. You saw she swerved. I'm crazy. Were you speeding? Everybody say hey. Hi. How y'all doing? Okay, so let's her what she won today. Vanna? Oh, me. Okay. All right. So you won. I'm going to put this right here. Hold on, y'all. All right. So you won an HP LaserJet printer.
Yes.
Cool tray for all of your loan signing needs. Okay. And it comes with toner to get you started.
Thank you.
Then you got a case of paper because you're going to need that, honey.
Yes, I will.
All loan closes
Yes, I
you're about to do.
Yes.
Okay. And then you get my favorite pens, the tool pens, folders, sign here tags, books. And then, of course, I know you have my courses, but we're going to definitely do some coaching one-on-one and get you up and going.
Absolutely. I'll take it. I thank you.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
So what is your goal for your notary business? Come on, tell everybody what your plan is. Because you can't get all this and not do.
My plan is to make just as much as money as you make.
So you're going to do full-time general notary work, loan closing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it all, everything. I does what she tells me to do.
Because what I tell you to do works, so you got to do it. This is why we do it, right?
Yes.
So now you go home and sit
We
your
don't want her
printer
start hollering at us like she does.
I do, yeah. I
So.
do. And we did your website build.
Oh, you finished? Okay.
Yay!
See, I didn't even. I just followed the process.
Timing.
No, I
It's
just followed the
perfect timing.
process.
So now you have everything that you need because you have all your certifications. You have all. We already go through your business a lot. So now you just need the printer. And now today we're gonna do a closing. You're gonna get a closing.
Like today.
Yeah, you are. Look at her face. She's like, wait, what's happening? I know, I'm gonna help you. So we're gonna sit down in a minute. I'm gonna help you with your notary business. And we're gonna make sure all your listings are right. And you should start getting notary work today. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Yay! So everybody say congratulations to Janine.
Congratulations to me.
Look at her face. You are hype. I love this. She's like super excited.
Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know.
You can tell them.
I mean, this is great. All of it is great. I mean,
But you
the
like the printer.
courses, the one-on-one, the printer, you name it, everything is great. It will be a big help to my notary business.
Yeah, because now you don't got to pay for it. These things are several hundreds of dollars.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it is.
The process works. Know that.
Yay!
It works.
We're going to do a follow-up interview with
Yes.
Janine in a month when we see all the closings, all the work that you've been doing.
Yes, ma'am. See, I just say yes, ma'am.
She's like, yeah, whatever you say, I will do. I will be there. Okay, cool. I like it. Well, congratulations, Janine.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for our next giveaway.
Streaming.
It may be in a state near you. Stay connected with Notary to Notary as we do more training and giveaways. Stay tuned.